Gracious welcome all. I'm back again with the new concept that is very important to know, that is cellular respiration. Now, what is cellular respiration? It is the process of biochemical oxidation of nutrient in the presence of enzymes at optimum temperature in the mitochondria of cells to release energy for various metabolic activities. Or respiration is not only the process of breathing but to break down sugars to get energy for cellular activities. Or we can say that metabolic activities consist of two processes. The process of breaking down of complex molecule into smaller molecule to release energy is known as catabolism. Respiration is actually catabolic process, whereas anabolic activities refers to buildup of complex organic molecules from simpler one and use or store energy. There are two type of respiration. You can see here, first one is aerobic respiration and second one is anaerobic respiration. When tissue carry out oxidation of food material utilizing molecular oxygen, the process is called aerobic respiration. And in anaerobic respiration, when cells or organisms carry out oxidation of nutrients without utilizing molecular oxygen, the process is called anaerobic respiration, or the process which is carried out in the absence of oxygen, it is known as anaerobic respiration. You can see here glucose is 6 carbon atom molecule that is broken down into 2 molecules of pyruvate, that is 3 carbon atom molecule, through the process of glycolysis, and then again broken down in different products according to availability of oxygen. Here you can see ethanol and carbon dioxide is produced in absence of oxygen in the yeast, whereas lactic acid is formed in lack of oxygen in our muscle cells, and carbon dioxide, water and energy, that is of 38 ATP, is produced in the presence of oxygen inside mitochondria. Now, what is ATP? ATP refers to adenosine triphosphate. It refers to nitrogenous compound called adenosine triphosphate. The energy released during cellular respiration is immediately used to synthesize a molecule called ATP from ADP, adenosine diphosphate, and then AMP, adenosine monophosphate. ATP is used to fuel all other activities of cells, and therefore it is said to be the energy currency of the cell. Now, I am going to let you know about plant respiration. It takes in place in all parts of plant like root, stem and leaves. Exchange of gases in root takes place by the process of diffusion, when oxygen diffuses into root hair and passes into the root cells, from where the carbon dioxide moves into the soil. The most important point here you have to be noted that in woody plants, bark has lenticels for gaseous exchange. In leaves, respiration also takes place by diffusion of oxygen through stomata into cells of leaves, and carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere when its concentration in the cells increase. In our next lecture, we will continue with the structure of stomata and its mechanism. So, thanks for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing.